I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to change out your headlight switch knob in a square body truck, 73 to 87 GM Chevy vehicle. It takes 2 seconds and it's super easy. I have the dash out of this truck, but you don't have to. It does make showing you actually how to do it a lot easier on camera, but you don't have to take out the dash for this simple tutorial. You can see how crusty and old that one is, so we're going to just do a quick swap. Some other videos online tell you to unplug the switch, but since this is just a quick swap out, I don't think it's necessary. So you're just going to pull the light switch out and you're going to press this black button over here on the side. So you're just going to press that in and then this switch comes right out just like that. Then I'm going to take my new switch, put it in, press the button down, and it slides right in and you'll hear a click. If it doesn't click, just move it around and then you can see I have now replaced it with a new headlight switch. Super easy.